How to fix slow cellular data internet speed on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix slow cellular data on your iPhone. Now before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First thing that I recommend you guys to do is force restart your iPhone. To force restart your iPhone, you'll need to press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. After you've done that, what you'll then need to do is locate your settings app, go to settings. On your settings, you'll find mobile services or cellular. Tap on that. And right there, here, what you can do is turn this on. And inside here, head over to mobile data options. And what you'll need to do is make sure that this low data mode option is not turned on. What this does is this basically reduce the mobile data uses by reducing any background tasks and updates. So yeah, those stuff that goes on in the background is turned off. Basically your to make sure that your internet or data uses is low, and that's the basic fix. Now also what you can do instead of that is you can reset your network settings, or right here before you move on, another setting here, head over to voice and data and make sure that you're not using 2G or 3G. If you have 5G, use that. Now you can move back. And now what you'll need to do is head over to General, scroll down, and head over to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on that and then tap on Reset. From here, reset your network settings. And after you've reset that, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye-bye. Take care.